Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro with using your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now click on search icon, then click on search line and write Hey Melody. Then search and install it. Now open it, agree and continue, allow, and here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!